Hi guys, get ready with me for a date night with my students. और मैं quickly ready हो रही हूँ. उससे पहले let's just apply lenses. Okay, बहुत आंसू आ गए, but nonetheless, let's start with the eyebrows. I'm using my all-time favorite product ABH in the shade dark brown, and I am just going to fill in my brows. मुझे ये वाली पैलेट मिल गई फटाफट से, तो मैं इसमें से आई थिंक पीच कलर उठाऊंगी because that will go well with my outfit. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of peach and just apply it here on my crease. Now my favorite part, applying liner, and I'm using Chaparral gel eyeliner and angular brush. Not bad. So let me just complete this eye also, I'll come back. For the lashes, I think I should go a little bit heavier today. तो मैं ये वाले mink lashes कर रही हूँ, but before that let me quickly just curl my lashes. Okay, so I have just done a little bit of color correction, not exactly color correction, but थोड़ा सा warmer concealer, and I'm just taking Tarte, like 2 shades of Tarte, and I think I'll just make my base this concealer. मैं ज़्यादा base तो खैर नहीं बनाने वाली हूँ. And then I'll just take a little bit darker shade from Tarte again, और वापस से I think I'll just dab it in. Okay, now let's do some contour. ये step मैं कभी भी miss नहीं करती हूँ because I love to define my face, and I think I'll contour nose and I think lips. Blusher तो बहुत important है. I'm using shade Happy Rare Beauty, and I'm just going to apply blush a little bit on my nose. Now we'll start blending the blush. आज मैं बहुत quickly कर रही हूँ because I don't have time. Like my students have already reached and they are calling us. Considering my skin is oily, मुझे powder अच्छे से करना पड़ता है because within no time मेरे face पे oil आ जाता है. So I'm just going to powder my under eye very nicely, and of course my T-zone. So I'm using Laura Mercier, my favorite powder. Okay, going to do powder blush, and this palette is from Character Cosmetics. The liner that I can find now is very dark, but of course we have to figure out something. So it is dark for me, but I think I like contoured lips, so I never mind. I think slightly darker, but I'll figure out something. Now I'm doing the lipstick. This is why Forever 52 is nice.